Hey YouTube fam, what's going on? It's your girl Raquel, aka Lilcutenurse. How y'all doing? Happy Saturday. Y'all, guess what I got today? Bam. Yeah, well, of course, you know from the thumbnail that this is what it is, right? Yeah, I can't believe I got it this early. And it's so light. I don't think it paid to get a box this early. It is so light. I mean, it's super light. Oh, okay. All right, let's just, y'all see I haven't opened it. I was so excited when the FedEx man rang the doorbell and thought he was going to leave. I was like, hey, how you doing, y'all? I was excited. Let's see. Ooh. See, that's how light it is. Even hear it hit the floor. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. And this is this month's premium box. It's super light. I'm scared. Oh, this is premium. Okay. I ain't gonna say that no more. How y'all doing? I hope everybody's doing wonderful, y'all. I'm excited, y'all. I have never gotten a Boxycharm box on the 7th of the month. Ever. Either FedEx is super quick or I ain't gonna even say it. Oh, but you know what? Maybe it's because I forgot about this. All the premium boxes are the Fenty by Rihanna. Maybe that's why I got it so early. I don't know. But it's light as heck. I guess that's why. I wish I had got the base box this month too. This would have been the month for me to add that. And this month I did get a card. So let's see. It says the first thing on here is the Killawatt 4 highlighter. This box is the lightest Boxycharm box ever. I'm going to stop saying that. I almost bought this when it came out. And I am so glad. I'm sorry. I know a lot of y'all out there like, dang, I had the highlighter and I gave it to somebody. I ain't want that again. But I resisted the urge to get this Killawatt highlighter. I resisted. I refused to get it because it was so gold. And I was like, I got too many. I got too many specks and spots and dots to be trying to rock that. If I get it for anything, it'll just be a highlighter. Look at all that gold. And I hear it's super glittery, but for me, myself, I honestly don't know. So I'm going to take my little old dirty brush and see what it do for my skin. See, look at that. Ooh, they might not be mad they got it. They might be happy to have it again. But that's just gold. I got too much texture for all that gold. And it ain't glittery. It's a real fine highlight. See, that's what I get for listening to other people. Look at that. The glow is real, and it's no glitter. I don't know where they get that from. I was kind of sad about this box because I was expecting this to be a lot of glitter. Now look at that. Maybe it's when they swatch it. I'm going to swatch because I was going to give it away. I was going to send it to my daughter. No, it's got to be the way they swatch it because this is not glitter. I like this one better than I do the white one I got that looked like gold glow. I don't know why I got that one. I shouldn't have bought it, but I'm happy to have this. It says it's Fenty Killawatt highlighter in trophy white. Retails for wife. We sells for $36. That's what it looks like, y'all. Happy for that. Happy. Okay, guys, the next thing I see on here is a matchstick. It says a Shimmer Skinstick. I hope not. A magnetic makeup stick in long wear light shimmer formula to highlight, blush, and enhance. I was so hoping for the orange, but it looks like, let me find it. Everything in the box is all Fenty, y'all. Only thing I know, y'all like me, what shade did I get? Oh, don't be sure. Okay, let's get it open. Oh my God, y'all won't believe the color I got. Y'all won't believe the color I got. It's unicorn. It says it's right there. Freaking corn. What? Y'all. Okay. Oh my God, it's purple. That's so wrong. That is so wrong. This is what it looks like. That's the color I have. anybody out here want this darn purple, inbox me. We can switch. If you got the orange, you want to send me the orange, I will send you this purple. I am not going to touch it because I would never use this ever. Nothing I can do with this purple. Other than that, it's going to just be stuck. I'll put it back in the box because these are 3 I bought. I didn't buy any more. I got the Gold Glow. That's what it looks like. And I never use that. I don't know why. Well, I know why. It's a cream. And I powder my face to stay matte, so I never use it. And I got these 2 concealers, and they too hard. I'm going to tell you right now. They're not creamy enough. Maybe I need to let them sit out, but I never use them. But I had these to the side ready to go with my orange because I knew I was going to get it. But I got unicorn. Anybody want to switch? For real, though? Okay. All right. I'm just saying it. Okay. This costs $25. $25 for a unicorn on dark skin. You run around here looking like a purple zebra. Okay. The next thing I got in here is it says the Moroccan Spice Palette. This says $29. I know why it says $29 because it's on sale for $29. It didn't come out. It wasn't $29. Hold on, don't let me be lying. Hold on. Let me check Sephora see if it's still on sale. Because I remember. Just hold on. Give me a minute. I thought so. I was absolutely right, guys. This thing says $29 value, but you see it's on sale. It was $59 when it came out. And I didn't get it because a lot of the reviews said it was no good. Because y'all know I'm like, gotta get it when it comes to something new in makeup and the hype is real. Well, the hype was not real. I don't know if it was because it was Fenty. Ain't she beautiful? That palette is beautiful. And people were saying it wasn't good, so I just saved me some money. And I'm glad I did, because so many palettes I already have. If I would have got that Tarte palette, I was going to give it to one of you guys, because I got it. But I am so happy. I'm so happy. Was that last month, the Tarte palette? Yeah. Okay. I'm happy I didn't buy it. I'm just saying. I'm happy to have it, but I'm happy I didn't spend the $60 when it first came out, as I normally do. That's what it looks like. Really pretty. I just want to touch that blue. You know how it could be good. And people just, it depends on, you know how YouTube work. If the flow flowing with Fenty, everybody's flowing and everybody's saying it's good. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. Even if it's bad, it's good. Because that's what everybody else saying. Yeah, I ain't on that boat. Because I be working hard for my money. So I can't wait to see how this is for myself. So, yeah. And you know, them folks be getting paid. I don't get paid to say that stuff. But we have to be more conscious with our money. And I'm happy to have it. That color's just so beautiful. And the size of it. If it's good, y'all. Another one that can go in my makeup bag. I'm so giddy today. Y'all, God is good. I'm going to just keep on going. Let's keep going. The next thing on here, it says the Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer. And this is the ultimate gotta have it lip with explosive shine that feels as good as it looks in shade Diamond Milk. See, this is what I'm talking about when I tell y'all about my obsessive shopping habits. This is how it looks. Yeah, Diamond Milk. And here go my Diamond Milk. I'm happy to have it. I don't really like Diamond Milk because I don't know why I didn't, but mine is all messed up. You know, I didn't wipe it off and sticking it back in there. It don't look the same. So I'm happy to have a nice, new, clean one. This time I will have more sense and keep it nice and clean. Don't look like the same thing, do it. Mine's so nasty. It got every color in there mixed up with it. But this is Diamond Milk, and this was Diamond Milk. I'll swatch mine since it's, I say nasty. Y'all know what I mean. See that little bit of white I didn't care for? See, I learned how to do that after the fact, after I messed it up. So just put it on the back of my hand. And then put it on. Now see, I like it, but that color, maybe I didn't give this a good enough try. Well, welcome back to my world. So I got Diamond Milk again and a nice clean bougie, and I'm just gonna add it to my collection because I have all of these except for the new brown one that just came out, and I won't get it this month because I've already went over my budget for makeup this month. That's what I had to do, start setting myself budgets and limits so I wouldn't spend my grocery on makeup. Anyway, this was $19. I know exactly how much this is. Yeah. And the next thing is the Mattemoiselle lipstick. Please don't let this be the one I have. I didn't bring it in here, but I know I got two. I got PMS and I got the two dark colors. I hope this is like the orange one. That's what I really wanted, was that Tiger Lily orange one. But anyway, this says all moods, all skin tones, all day. A pocket perfect lipstick with a long wear petal soft matte finish. Available in a rainbow of weightless colors, intense shades and designs to flatter all skin tones. It says it's $18. Please let it be one of the ones I don't have. I got Griselda. You can't get, I can't, let me go get it so I won't swatch this one. I think I got Griselda. If I do, let me go. I can't find it. Y'all know this video, this unboxing has really made me, I'm cleaning up my makeup on. I have been searching. I had to search for these. I had to search for the diamond. This ain't what this video about. Let's check out Griselda, y'all. Quit talking. Because I couldn't find it. I don't know where it is. But anyway, let's see what it looks like. Oh, I didn't get Griselda. I know I didn't. Look at that. That is a beautiful brown. I had a dark, no, it's not brown. It's like a dark burgundy red. I had a brown and PM, and I remember PMS and something else. But I did not have this color. I like this. I really like this. I would put it on, but I'm going to tell you what I got on now. I got on this Buxton Lights Down. This is beautiful. I love these. I got almost all of these. It don't have that minty feel that most people don't like. But yeah. Oh, I like Griselda. I like that. Yeah, baby, you're going to get put up when winter time. I'm going to go through this little tube. They so tiny. That's what I like about them. But they get messy around here. That's probably where the ones I have, they're probably stuck in my work bag because they're so small, I take them to work. Okay, let's get on. We only got one more thing in this box. I guess that's a good $35 spent if I didn't have so much of this stuff. Because it is all Fenty though, you know. And the next thing I have are these, y'all know, these blotting sheets. And this gonna go in my purse. I so wish I had got the base box this month. I don't know why I didn't. Mine come like this. You have to put the sheets in here some kind. Oop, did I break it, y'all? No, my country tell I done broke it. See, I know I didn't open this box. I'm just going to tear these sheets off. I want to see if they, you know. Let me get me one off if I can quit tearing the whole roll up like, you know how you tear up tissue. Tear a piece off. Oh, it's a little mirror on there. You can see your eyes, but you don't too much blot your eyes, so for what it's worth. But yeah. I guess it just fits in there like that. Well, I don't know. How y'all like y'all tissue? I like my tissue going. Don't tell me. I don't want to know how you like your tissue. I don't like mine down. I like going up. Okay. Okay, let me close this back. I'm wasting too much time. I'm going to have to edit the mess out this video here, y'all. I got it back together. This was impossible. This is cute, but that's all. This I didn't even try the papers. I probably worked up a sweat. Yeah, they like any other blotting paper. No different. How much is this thing? These were $16. $16. I got this, I think it was off of Sephora. See, Dinoplats or something like that. It's a blotting sheet paper. And y'all, your little sheets come in here like this. They're already cutting little squares. This used to stick, but I've had this a couple of years. This used to stick, but even with it not sticking, I can just pick up one blotting sheet, stick it to my forehead, and go head on. I ain't got to deal with this thing unrolling my nerve bad night. And girl, anyway, that's the last thing in this month's box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope your box is better than what, you know. It's the Fenty box. I wish I had got the base box. I didn't get the things I wanted. The only things that were a choice, which I guess was the stick, because everybody else got the same stuff pretty much, huh? Yeah, I guess so. I should have got the base box. I wanted the surprise. Okay, talk to y'all later. Y'all stay blessed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.